Hello and welcome to the Tigre.pup channel. In this video, I will be coloring my curly haired wig. If this interests you, then please keep watching. Okay, so right here I'm just showing you what the wig looks like so far. Actually, it's incomplete because it turns out 2 bundles wasn't enough, so I had to end up getting a third, which I'm kind of disappointed because I've always heard that if you have 2 bundles of like curly hair, it should be enough because the curly hair is going to like hide all the gaps and whatnot. But it didn't work in this case. I was a little disappointed because this is my regular vendor, and I don't know, I'm feeling like maybe they gave me less hair than was supposed to be in the bundle. But I went on ahead and ended up having to make this wig myself because I wanted a wig that actually fits my head, because all of the wigs that they offer, they are much smaller. They're like a 43. They're large. It's like a 43, sorry, 23, and I needed a 24 for my head and my curly hair and stuff like that. So yeah, just use this for marketing because I want to be able to show people what they can do with the curly hair that I'm offering. Okay, so off camera, I went on ahead and cut the hair, and well, I straightened it and I ended up cutting the hair. So make sure I got rid of all those thin ends. Right here, I'm just going to show you what it looks like on me. So when you see the end result, you'll know the progression that we've actually made. So I know it looks kind of weird right now. It's kind of wavy, kind of straight. It's in between, but there's a process to this. So just keep watching. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with my super blue. I did this on a wig before and I got a lot of likes on TikTok. So I decided to do it again. As you can see here, this is the resulting color from using the super blue, which is my favorite all over lightener. I left the ends, I only applied it to the ends and the mid shaft, and I left the roots dark. Just a reminder, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks. Okay, so now I'm showing you the sectioning that I used in order to do my highlights. I'm going to start in the front because I want the front to take a lot lighter than the back or whatever, because the first place you apply the lightener is going to be the lightest because it's going to be on there the longest. So I'm starting in the front and I'm going to work my way to the back. So yeah, I'm just giving you a little sneak peek of how I actually lighten the hair in order to get those different tones, so the hair can have more dimension. It's going to have the dark roots with the all over color, which is the color you see there, and then you're going to have the highlights on top of that. So it's like 3 different shades going on. Okay, so right here I'm just showing you what I did along the side and of the head, because I didn't go all the way down to the bottom. If I'm not mistaken, I think I did like the highlights on every 2 tracks or something like that. So yeah, I did make this wig myself because like I said, my manufacturer or distributor, they don't make a wig in my size, and so instead of me trying to squeeze my head in a really small wig, I just decided to just go ahead on and make my own. And yeah, so that's what you see me doing here. That wig was entirely made 100% handmade by myself, not a machine or anyone else. So I'm just giving you a little show you what I'm actually doing in the process going on. So yeah, you see me counting tracks right here, and then I'm going to take the very 3rd track because I skipped 2, and I'm going to add the highlights. Just a reminder, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks. Okay, so right here I'm just showing you the completed look of the highlights. As you can see, I went a little bit lower in the back, and it's mostly concentrated on the front and sides. Okay, so after I shampooed and conditioned, well, I shampooed the hair, I didn't condition it. I'm going in with the semi-permanent hair color in honey brown, sorry. And I'm going to apply it all over the hair to tone the highlights that I just put in. And we're going to let that sit and let it process for up to 30 minutes. And we're going to see the end results. Okay, so right here I'm just going to comb that hair color in to make sure every strand is thoroughly coated. And like I said, we're going to just let that process. So here is what I'm doing. Okay, so right here it is a reminder of what the hair looked like before, as you can see on the mannequin head, and then I'm going to wear it so you can see what it looks like on me, so you can see what changes have been made as far as like the hair color. So it's pretty dark right here. It's not exactly black, but it's not very light either. Okay, so right here I'm just showing you the finished results. It was pretty hot today, so I had the fan on didn't really think about doing that, but it turned out to work in my favor. As you can see like a little bit of brown with a few little golden highlights in there, and of course the very dark root. I think I went a little bit too heavy with my foundation on the hairline. It's pretty dark, but other than that, I mean, I can always wash that off eventually, so it's not a permanent problem. Okay, so I've completed my wig, and this is the end of the video. I hope it helps someone out there who is looking for a way to color their hair, specifically curly hair. And so this gives you some options. I hope it helped. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching.